Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Thursday, June 4th. Starting off in the June Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Wednesday of 942 and a quarter. Above 942 and a quarter in the June Mini S&P was considered bullish for Wednesday. Below 942 and a quarter was considered bearish. I had the first line of support down at 935.75. The second level of support down at 927.75. These are 15-minute bars. This is the bar of the open of the regular trading session. You can see the market was trading right at that first level of support on the regular session open. Obviously in a bearish mode below the pivot level. Also, if you remember in my last video, I talked about that first line of weekly resistance. It was at 938.5. If we're below 938.5, also, I thought we could see a significant sell-off in the market because we were turning under that first level of weekly resistance. You could see that initially we were in that bearish mode. We sold off, went right down to that second level of support at 927.75, which served as a support early on in the market. A few minutes before 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, we were trading around in this range. I did send messages out to people. While we're still trading above that second level of support, it's still an opportunity to get short the market or sell the June Mini S&P. You could see that the market did sell off and went under that second level of support, ultimately going down to the low of 922.5. Now, late in the day, we did have a rally back. The market was still obviously down on the day, but it did pare back some of those losses, and the market settled at 931.75 on Wednesday. For Thursday, I'm looking at the pivot level of 934 even. Market settled at 931.75. We need to stay above 934 even in the June Mini S&P for a bullish market. Below 934 even is considered bearish. I have the first line of resistance up at 945 even. The second line of resistance up at 956.75. For support, I'm looking at the first level of support, 921 and a quarter. The second level of support at 910.5. Some numbers that come out, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, you have initial jobless claims. The expectation is for 610,000. You also, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, you have first quarter productivity. The expectation is for a rise of 1.4%. Also, 8:30, you have first quarter unit labor costs. The expectation is for a rise of 2.7%. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You could go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks a lot and good trading.